Yo, I kid you not. It's been one hectic week. I'm here at Erin Mills in the 403, and my girl is down. All I can do is laugh. God knows. Somebody said earlier in one of my other videos that it's for a reason. You know what I mean? And truly. So I'm out of diesel. Diesel done. How do you ask? How do you run out of diesel? Because I always ask people, how the F do you run out of diesel or fuel, period, in a vehicle? It tells you when you have to put in fuel. No, mine tells me that I have fuel in there. The needle has gone haywire. So I'm driving thinking I have enough fuel, and all of a sudden my truck starts shaking. I have to pull off the road, pull right off onto the right off the highway, and I'm thinking, okay, there's a gas station right there. I see a Esso. That Esso has no diesel. So I had to jump in a tow truck. Brother was kind enough to help me out. He goes, yo, I'll take you over there, go buy a jerry can, fill that up. Bought the jerry can, came back, put the fuel in there, and it started and then it stopped. So I'm like, okay, shit. So I looked in it, I need a little bit more. So boom, he gave me another ride to a different gas station again. I bought a bigger jerry can, I bought the 20 liter. So I came back, filled it up, wouldn't start. So, okay, called my brother-in-law, and I realized that, you know, there's a fuel filter. Open that up, put some fuel in there, and you should be good to go. I can't open it because I don't have no tools, and this shit is tight. Tighter than some woman out there. But anyways, it's tight. So what happens? I gotta call the man again. Call the guy that came and put my belt on. So he said, you know what, I'm real lucky. He's only about 15 minutes away because he's down the street here in Mississauga. So he's on his way. Hopefully, well, not even hopefully, he's gonna open it, put some in. I'm gonna watch him. I'm gonna see what tool he has in case I need to buy that for future problems or future headaches, so I can solve it myself. But man, I tell you, from last week Thursday to today, which is Wednesday, yo, it's been rough. Money's just coming out my pocket, man. Money's coming out my pocket. But anyways, as always, I'm here for it. Live, you learn, and you just keep going, right? Truckers world, truckers lifestyle. That's what it is, man. See you guys.